Hey guys, it's Hazy Lizzie here, back with another video. It is raining and it's so loud. Oh my god. I need to change this guy. No, oh my god. This is so difficult. I'm in like third person and I need to change it now. So glitchy. No. Yes, the first person. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you a house tour. And it's my first video on this channel, so this will be great. Rain, please go away. Come again, never. Because this is really loud. Oh my god, is there any settings to get rid of weather? Did it just stop for a second? No, I can't. Wait, I can just survival. Look, I'm in survival. Okay, we're in survival now. I'm just going to go in my house because it's really loud. I want it to stop. And I broke that. I don't know why. Okay. I'm just going to... Oh my god, rain, stop. Step. Oh, look at the sun. Okay, I'm just going to turn to night. And let's see, I don't have very much I don't have very much of anything. I have chests though, but they probably have nothing in them. Ooh, they do. I want to crack a chicken egg and see if it has anything in it. And I'm gonna have some food. There's nothing in it. Okay, let's go fly. I don't want to. Okay. Ooh, I almost broke the glass. That would have been awesome. Okay, I'm gonna put some meat in here. I need Okay, I have any. Probably don't. Well, I'm going to cheat and be the first cheater of all times and turn it to creative and get some feeling. Do 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 do. To get some feeling. I don't know where it is. Cool, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be nice if we were Yolder? Okay, ooh, I am going to get some diamonds. Shine bright like a diamond. Ooh. And I'm going to get some silver and gold. Even though it's iron, but I don't care. And now, let's turn it back. I'm great at cheating. That's like my #1 thing now. Hey, do you want to cheat? Yeah, sure, okay. Now, a full stack. Thanks, God. Okay. I am going to cook my meal. And I'm going to place some in here. I'm going to put the whole stack in there. How about that? Go crafting. It'd be nice. I'm going to just get diamond boots. Life is great. Okay, I'm going to put the diamonds and gold and stuff in the iron in the chest thing. I also have emeralds. Didn't even know that. Wouldn't it be nice? Okay, now I'm going to put these little booties on. It looks so great with the booties on. Look the little booties. Okay, also Minecraft videos, though. and no one was wondering, but I'm just gonna say, who's my favorite YouTuber? I like Logan Paul. But since this is I am a kid-friendly, as you could say, channel, I suggest you, if you're under the age of 9 or 10, don't watch him. Oh, this brain is loud. Stop by. Okay. I'm going to kill myself if this continues. Okay. This is my first. It's kind of awful to the rain. It's probably awful in general. So he playing. I'm probably even saying it wrong. Either younger or older. Okay, I was gonna give you a house tour. Okay, well, this is my bedroom. That's the balcony. This is a bookshelf. Then this is a bathroom. Then I can't walk. And then this is the like living room thing. And this is like the kitchen thing. And these are chests, and this is my dragon egg. Or egg of dragon. I made a video and I forgot to put on to speak, so I couldn't speak in it. So I started talking in this thing, and I was doing a house tour, but I'm not gonna upload it, so it's really bad. And oh my god, I have a low battery now. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. Just plug it out. I can't. Okay, plug it in. Okay, there we go. And then so I don't want to upload it because it's that bad. And this video is probably even worse, but I don't care. So instead of saying dragon egg, I said that here is my egg of dragon. And then I just stopped the video because it was so bad. Because I misspelled a word. And, yeah. And, my friend, my best friend, her name is Moon709. She has her own channel on YouTube, of course. And, I just literally told you the name. It's Moonbo709. If that doesn't come up, then search up Ocelot Queen 709. That's what I always do, and then it comes up. I don't know. If she's watching this video, put your full name in it. Literally. Literally, my life. How long has this video been? Has the video stopped?